We have the heat sink, and of course then we have the 2 thermal pads. Thermal pad will fit. Very gingerly peel that up. Perfect. Put the memory in place. Drop it down. This is a silicone type material, which we can appreciate, and that stretched a little bit, but we got good coverage. And now we'll put the top to it. Interesting. For aluminum, that's got some weight to it, and that looks good. Roll that over. Number 2. Secure the other side, and come over here and gingerly, and looks like we have contact. Call up Crystal Disk Mark, and the version we are running, Crystal Disk Mark 804x64. Now we're going from the C drive to the D drive, 1 terabyte drive, so we'll do a 1 gigabyte test file.